Today we are making a vegan lemon posset, silky, bright, and honestly one of the most elegant no-bake desserts you can pull off with a handful of simple ingredients. It has no eggs and no dairy. Step 1. Mix your sugar, pectin, agar, and salt together, dry before anything hits the heat. This prevents clumping and it's critical for even dispersion of your setting agents. Step 2. Warm your soy milk with the glucose to about 40 degrees, then rein in your dry mix while whisking continuously. Don't dump it all at once. Step 3. And this is non-negotiable. Bring the whole thing to a full rolling boil and hold it there for 15 to 20 seconds. That is how you activate both the agar and the pectin. Skip this step and your posset won't set. Step 4. Off the heat, add your vegan butter if you're using it and blend it briefly with an immersion blender to emulsify everything smoothly. Step 5. The acid set. This is the part most people get wrong. Let the texture cool down to around 75 degrees before adding your lemon juice and zest. Adding acid to a hot mixture breaks down the gel structure before it has a chance to form. Patience here really pays off. And step 6. Pour into glasses or silicone molds and chill for a minimum of 2 hours. 4 is ideal, but don't rush it. I pour some in glasses and some in hollowed out lemons, which makes it a beautiful party dessert. Really quick texture guide before you go. If it sets too soft, nudge the agar up to 1.5 grams next time. Or if it firms too much and looks like jelly, pull it back to 0.8. If you're getting a grainy texture, you either added the acid too early or didn't blend long enough. And if it's not setting at all, check your soy milk. A low protein variety simply will not do the job here. And that is it, a vegan lemon posset that's bright, it's creamy, and genuinely impressive. Once you understand the logic behind each step, this becomes a recipe you can riff on endlessly. Different citrus, different molds, different garnishes. If you try it, let me know in the comments how it turned out. And if you want more recipes like this, where we actually dig into the why behind the technique, make sure you are subscribed. See you in the next one.